Incorporating intermittent fasting into your daily routine can be a seamless process with the right strategies. To ensure a smooth transition and allow your body enough time to adapt, it's advisable to start gradually. Fasting can impose stress on your body as it affects your cortisol levels, so managing chronic stress is essential before starting intermittent fasting. I personally made the mistake of beginning fasting during a high-stress period, which had negative consequences. However, it worked like magic once I reduced my stress levels and found the perfect way to implement fasting. When you're ready, begin with a 12-hour fasting window overnight, followed by a 12-hour eating window during the day. Gradually extend the fasting period until you find the duration that suits you best, usually between 12 to 18 hours. I find that fasting for 14 hours with a 10-hour eating window works well for my current lifestyle and stress levels. Pay close attention to your body's signals and make adjustments accordingly. Proper hydration is also crucial during the fasting period. Drink enough water, herbal tea, or infused water to support your body's natural detoxification processes and overall well-being. It's common to experience headaches due to lack of electrolytes during fasting, so consider adding more electrolytes if you encounter this issue. When it's time to break your fast, focus on consuming balanced, nutrient-dense meals to help your body refuel. It may be challenging to obtain all macronutrients within a smaller eating window. Still, it's crucial to balance your caloric intake of macronutrients during this time to maintain bodily functions and reap the benefits of intermittent fasting. Include a wide variety of whole foods, such as lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to promote mitochondrial health and overall vitality. Throughout the day, pay attention to your body's signals. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it's crucial to notice how your body responds and adjusts to your fasting routine. If you experience any negative effects or prolonged discomfort, consult a healthcare professional and consider extending your eating window to give your body more fueling time. Remember, individual variation exists, so listen to your body, monitor your biomarkers, and potentially consult with a professional to determine the most suitable fasting and eating schedule for you. If you enjoyed this video, you will find the full video link in the description for a comprehensive understanding and practical tips. We're also accepting pre-registrations for our new longevity coaching program, so if you're interested in personalized coaching and precision medicine-based plans to support your holistic health journey, click the provided link and fill in your information. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel for daily longevity-related videos.